be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful I think it's water wave 5x5 closure unit. It's not fully glueless because I did install it with some hairspray, but it doesn't have any glue. But yeah, I don't remember the length of the hair. I think it's probably 24 inches if I'm not mistaken, and this is where it catches me pretty much on I'm gonna say right at my breast, and I'm 5'5". But yeah, that is pretty much the specs on the wig. If there's any other detail that I need to include, it will be down below in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So inside the package, I got some comb, I got the Luvme Hair wig bag, sent me their information card, some baby hair comb, a wig labeler, some stocking cap, elastic band, and a user guide for your wig. But that being said, let's just jump right into the installation of this wig.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready?
Turn on the tape.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war.
I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey, that's the risk. Right, spray his car, spray the window. She keeps sucking on my dick, tryna get it hickey. I swear that pussy too wet, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door, I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. Hello, I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain. Oh my God, y'all niggas bet you'll be for y'all, I'll be dead. Pull out a hole, pull out a whole lot of meds. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of clothes, nigga be stealing my sweat. Pull out a whole lot of earrings, please tuck your with gas. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, he came with a team, and the brick, he came with a bit. I can teach you how to flex, and the Draco, it came with a bitch. The condo, it came with a pit. My new bitch, she came with some dick. Man, they probably believe me, so I pulled up in my niggas on switch. Man, they probably believe me, they thought I believe in the devil and witch. Man, they probably believe me, a real rock star from all of my beat. I'm pretty fucking, I see me, that's why I be living my life like I'm Stevie. Wake up beside you, my bitch, I got on that tissue, I leave for the cheese. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with the doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda Ghost. I had to count my money on the bottom pole. I just took that bitch and shot the fuck behind me. So I had to get all my niggas up behind. I had to get them off hold. I had to T12 right on my mouth. Drive it like my film was stolen. He seem like my brick brand new, cause I'm only known just to flow. Yeah, I just know they be watching. Yeah, just know they be watching. All these hoes love me. I am such a sunny guy. Nigga, do not trust me. Baby, I'ma bust you. Wait before you bust me. You shouldn't trust me. Girl, you got all love. If this beef no partake, no, I do not eat steak. All I eat is fish plates. My diamonds are cold in the face of my wrist. Somewhere in the hills, all in my business. Switch in my crib and you know I'm consistent. I made a million, you know I'm missing. I made a million. I turned to an addict. I brought me a paddock. I brought her a baby. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach. Came with 2 doors. Yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the business. I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come back. I brought a G-Wagon. That shit was a rabbit. That's why I be racing you at. Yeah, we brought the full door. Had to get ready for the yeah. I ain't fuck a bitch so long. I do it in a Honda Accord. I had to count my money on the honor board. Yeah. I just took that bitch shopping. Fuck behind the stores. Fuck behind the stores. You know that I got to get real. Fuck behind the stores. Sure. You know that I got to get real. Fuck behind the stores. Yeah. Turn up a half a meal. Fuck behind the stores. Yeah. She gonna that mileage like she ain't never take steal before. I can do stuff for your homie ain't never get killed before.
Like I'm on the earth and I'm all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. I bring money about that, but yeah, money all up. I'm swimming in it, yeah, I'm causing a madness. I'm fucking up ass, yeah, I'm popping the crabs. I'm popping the gems, yeah, I never need practice. I'm only gon' double the trip, yeah, your money subtracting. Yeah, I'm on the track, split up on the car, split up on the swerve. I ain't fucking with nobody, bitch got a crib in the burst. This shit could've got so bad, this shit could've got in the worst. Why I say I check, I ain't wait for 2 they burst. I bring up my money the most, I'm richer than all of the nerds. I'm flexing a big money road, these nuts in my pockets, they I had a change to the talk, and the bitch that can rip it up until they burn. 24/7, I stay to be bumping, they pellet, these motherfuckers brothers. I think I'm on some of the bitch had the way that I blew up and live on the earth. I hope that you don't think you can rock with the gang, you can't come over here. You can drop it in the bonus, and the bitch you can hit with a motherfucking AR. I don't even post no bitch on the Instagram, bitch, I the motherfucking stay out. Bitch, you do it like me, do it like a play out. We stuck in the bitch with a couple of bits, but it's how we play out.
Final look, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box as always, and if I have a coupon code, which I know I do, it will be down in the description box as well. But this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Whole lot of red rubies on my neck.